Before machines ruled industry, power came from muscle, wind, and water. Slow, unpredictable, limited. Human progress was chained to nature, until one invention broke that chain and unleashed the modern world. This is the story of the steam engine, the machine that powered factories, railways, global trade, and changed human civilization forever. For centuries, work depended on human strength and animal labor. Mills relied on flowing rivers. Ships depended on the wind. Factories could not run without natural force. Production moved slowly. Cities grew carefully. Industrial dreams were trapped, waiting for power that did not exist. The world needed energy, powerful energy, reliable energy. In the 17th century, inventors began experimenting with steam. Denis Papin imagined pressure as power. Thomas Savery built a primitive steam pump. It was clumsy, it was dangerous, but it was revolutionary. Then came Thomas Newcomen. He built the first practical steam engine, a massive iron giant designed to pump water from mines. It was slow, it was inefficient, but it worked. The age of steam had begun. In 1765, a Scottish engineer named James Watt studied Newcomen's design. He saw the problem. Heat was being wasted. So Watt redesigned the engine. He added a separate condenser. He improved efficiency. He increased power. Suddenly, steam engines were not just useful, they were unstoppable. Factories no longer needed rivers. Power could exist anywhere people needed it. For the first time in history, energy became mobile. The Industrial Revolution exploded. Textile mills roared to life. Ironworks thundered. Production multiplied. Cities grew. Jobs increased. Wealth expanded. For the first time, machines worked harder and faster than humans ever could. The steam engine became the heartbeat of industry. Then steam did something even more extraordinary. It moved. George Stephenson built the steam locomotive. Massive iron engines thundered across the countryside. Railways connected cities. Goods traveled faster than ever before. Time itself changed. Trains created schedules. Schedules created modern life. Distance shrank. Nations connected. The world became smaller. Steamships replaced wind-powered sailing vessels. No more waiting for weather. No more drifting at sea. Trade accelerated. Empires expanded. Migration increased. People could cross oceans with certainty. The world entered a new age, an age of global connection. The steam engine reshaped daily life. Food could travel farther. Products became affordable. Cities filled with opportunity. A new working class emerged. Not everything improved. Factories were harsh. Pollution filled the skies. But the world was undeniably transformed. Faster, louder, more powerful. Steam paved the way for electricity, for engines, for turbines, for modern power. It was the bridge between ancient labor and the technological age. Every factory, every locomotive, every power plant that followed owed its existence to steam. The steam engine did not just power machines. It powered ambition. It powered progress. It powered the modern world. One invention, infinite consequences.